Ready? Let's go.
Oh my god, that was so weird. Let me do that again.
You got a text message.
You sound like
Says Daddy, I think.
you
Or
sound
Destiny. One of
you
those.
sound like you don't want to do it again. Someone just wants to put in writing I know it's not very good, but like that.
Hold on, show me a minute. Oh, I didn't see her, I don't think.
That was fun.
Look, there's the bus.
Oh hi Bugs, how are you?
Bushy. Now let's look at this vehicle. Let's see how muddy it is. Wow.
I don't know. Oh wait a minute, I have to see.
Okay, alright, let's see. Bush. Woo. It's not that muddy. See you later.